Okay, so I'm using Webull and Thinkorswim to take my trades. And essentially, I just have the 5 minute and the 1 minute pulled up on both. So market opens 8:30 my time, and I don't typically start taking trades until around 9:30 or 10. So just looking at it right now, I can tell that we have something coming up here pretty soon. This is the 200 EMA on Webull. Really, I just want to see what happens in the next, 5 to 10 minutes, see if we can get a candle to close below the 200 EMA. Whenever that does, I like to wait for either a retest, or if the next candle that closes is also below the 200 EMA, then I will typically get into a put. Alright, so we have a little bit of rejection over here. It looks like, just looking at the 1 minute, it's definitely creating lower highs and lower lows. Right here seems to be a little bit of support, so I may want to draw a line right here because it tried to come down, it broke through and came right back up. So it looks like it might be trying to just reject and go the opposite way. You can see in the 5 minute it's doing the same thing with the 200 EMA. Okay, so just looking at this, we can see that, we had an obvious rejection off the 200. I like to look at the volume as well. So even though that this candle is huge, you can see that the volume is not there. So I'm expecting this to kind of retract and go right back down. Or not even come back down. It looks like we're just kind of consolidating. It doesn't really know where it wants to go yet. I'm really looking at just volume right now. You can see there's this, spike in volume, and the candlesticks aren't very huge, so we're really trying to determine which way we're going. It looks like we're going to just keep going up. So we came down, rejected off of this 200 MA, big candle moving up. The volume, I would like to see more. However, that is a good indication that there are quite a bit of bulls going in. So I'm thinking, since we broke this previous high, that this is a good indication that it's going to continue to climb just for a little bit at least. So what we're going to do is get into a put, or not a put, a call right now. We're going to use 10% of the account, so we're at 5K. So we'll use 10%, so we'll go around 500. And then wait for a good entry. So if this one closes above, then I would like to get in. If it closes like this again, then disregard what I just said. We're going to wait. We'll just see what goes on right now. Looking at the 5 minute, it is a pretty good indication that it's just going to continue to climb though. I just want to use the 1 minute as a point of entry. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, I feel good about that. Let's go ahead and place our order. Okay, so we are in 6% on that call. So let's just ride this baby out for a little bit and see what goes on. Just looking for that 20%. So once we're there, I'll go ahead and close out. 60. Alright. We'll place it. See what happens. Cool, so we got in at 49, then got out at 60 for a cool 20%. How long were we in that trade? About 20 minutes, huh? So that's typically longer than I would want to be in a trade. However, after we got in, it just steadily kept climbing, so I didn't see a reason to get out. At no point were we negative, so that was kind of all we were really looking for. So started the account 5K, ended the day after about 20-30 minutes work at $5,121.